Imagine never having to worry about your SUV breaking down on a road trip, never getting that dreaded call from your mechanic with a 4-figure repair estimate, and never being stranded in a parking lot with a dead vehicle. What if I told you there are SUVs so incredibly reliable that some owners go years without needing anything more than routine oil changes and tire rotations? Today, we're counting down the 10 most bulletproof SUVs for 2025, vehicles so dependable that they'll make you forget what a tow truck looks like. These aren't just marketing claims, these are battle-tested champions backed by years of real-world data, owner testimonials, and reliability studies that will absolutely blow your mind. 1 point. Toyota 4Runner. Let's start with the legendary Toyota 4Runner, a SUV that's essentially automotive immortality wrapped in steel and plastic. The 2025 4Runner has been completely redesigned for the first time in over a decade, but Toyota has been careful to maintain the bulletproof reliability that made this SUV a legend. Under the hood, the Toyota 4Runner maintains its reputation for reliability, now powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 278 horsepower, replacing the previous naturally aspirated V6. This new engine is based on Toyota's proven TNGA platform and incorporates decades of engineering refinement focused on long-term durability. What makes the 4Runner absolutely untouchable in terms of reliability is its body-on-frame construction. While most SUVs have moved to lighter unibody designs, Toyota stuck with the truck-based architecture that can withstand decades of abuse. The 4Runner's frame is built like a fortress, designed to handle extreme off-road conditions while providing exceptional longevity. The 4Runner's part-time four-wheel drive system is mechanically simple and incredibly robust. Unlike complex all-wheel drive systems with multiple electronic components that can fail, the 4Runner uses time-tested mechanical components that can be repaired anywhere in the world. This simplicity translates directly to reliability. Real-world owner experiences consistently support the 4Runner's reputation. Online forums are filled with owners documenting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal repairs. The 4Runner consistently ranks among the vehicles most likely to reach 200,000 miles according to automotive research firms. The 4Runner's resale value reflects its exceptional reliability. Even 10-year-old 4Runners with high-mileage command premium prices because buyers know they're purchasing a vehicle that will continue running reliably for years to come. 2. Lexus GX 460. Moving into luxury territory, the Lexus GX 460 represents the pinnacle of reliable luxury SUV engineering. The 2025 Lexus GX takes the top spot for reliability. It's tough, comfortable, and built like a tank. This SUV combines Toyota's legendary durability with Lexus luxury in a package that's virtually indestructible. The GX 460 is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine that produces 301 horsepower. This engine represents decades of refinement in Toyota's V8 technology, incorporating design elements that prioritize longevity over maximum performance. The engine block internals and cooling system are all overbuilt for exceptional durability. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, the GX 460 inherits one of the most robust SUV architectures ever created. This body-on-frame construction with a solid rear axle might seem old-fashioned, but it delivers unmatched durability. The Land Cruiser platform has proven itself in the harshest conditions around the world for decades. The GX 460's full-time four-wheel drive system uses a center differential and 2-speed transfer case that are mechanically bulletproof. Unlike modern systems that rely heavily on electronics, the GX's drivetrain uses proven mechanical components that can operate reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. Owner satisfaction surveys consistently rank the GX 460 among the most reliable luxury SUVs. Owners frequently report trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles, with many vehicles continuing to provide reliable service approaching 400,000 miles. The GX 460's approach to luxury emphasizes substance over flash. Rather than incorporating the latest technology that might become obsolete or fail, Lexus focuses on proven systems that will continue operating reliably for decades. 3. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has earned its position as America's best-selling SUV, not through flashy marketing, but through absolutely bulletproof reliability that makes mechanics wonder if Toyota has discovered some secret formula for automotive immortality. The Toyota RAV4 has earned its place as one of the most trusted nameplates in the compact SUV world, and this reputation is built on decades of exceptional real-world performance. The 2025 RAV4's 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine represents the latest evolution of Toyota's dynamic force engine family, incorporating advanced materials and manufacturing techniques that maximize durability. This engine uses a robust aluminum block with iron cylinder liners, ensuring exceptional longevity even under demanding conditions. Toyota's approach to the RAV4's transmission is equally conservative and reliable. The 8-speed automatic transmission uses proven technology with robust internal components designed to handle hundreds of thousands of miles of operation. The transmission control software prioritizes smooth operation and longevity over aggressive performance. The RAV4's suspension system uses proven components that prioritize durability over ultimate performance. MacPherson struts in front and a multi-link rear suspension provide good ride quality while using components that can be serviced at any shop and are designed to last well beyond 200,000 miles. Toyota's quality control process for the RAV4 is legendary within the automotive industry. Each vehicle undergoes extensive testing and inspection before delivery. This attention to detail during manufacturing translates directly to exceptional long-term reliability for owners. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the RAV4's reputation. Independent research organizations regularly rank the RAV4 among the most reliable vehicles in any category, not just SUVs. Owner satisfaction surveys show exceptional long-term reliability with minimal unexpected repairs. The RAV4's maintenance schedule is designed to maximize reliability while minimizing owner costs. Regular oil changes, brake service, and fluid replacements are typically sufficient to keep a RAV4 running reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V represents the perfect marriage of reliability and practicality, engineered with Honda's legendary attention to long-term durability that has made this compact SUV a favorite among buyers who prioritize dependability above all else. Honda's 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the 2025 CR-V incorporates decades of refinement in Honda's VTEC technology. This engine uses premium internal components, including forged pistons and a robust crankshaft designed to handle the stresses of forced induction while maintaining exceptional longevity. The CR-V's continuously variable transmission represents Honda's commitment to reliability through simplicity. While some manufacturers use complex multi-speed automatics, Honda's CVT design eliminates many potential failure points by using fewer moving parts. The transmission is designed to operate smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Honda's approach to the CR-V's all-wheel drive system prioritizes reliability through mechanical simplicity. The real-time AWD system uses a simple design that automatically engages rear-wheel drive when needed without complex electronic controls that can fail. This system has proven exceptionally reliable over decades of real-world use. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the CR-V's reputation for exceptional dependability. Independent research organizations regularly rank the CR-V among the most reliable vehicles available, and owner satisfaction surveys show minimal, unexpected repairs even at high mileages. The CR-V's maintenance requirements are refreshingly simple. Regular oil changes, brake service, and basic fluid replacements are typically all that's needed to keep a CR-V running reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. Honda's service schedule is designed to maximize reliability while minimizing owner costs. Subaru Outback. Subaru leads reliability ratings, and the Outback perfectly exemplifies why Subaru has earned this reputation. The 2025 Outback combines Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive capability with exceptional reliability that makes it one of the most dependable SUVs on the road. Subaru's approach to engine design in the Outback prioritizes longevity through conservative engineering. The available engines, including the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, incorporate robust internal components designed to handle hundreds of thousands of miles of operation. The Outback's signature feature, standard all-wheel drive, uses Subaru's time-tested symmetrical AWD system. This system distributes power between front and rear wheels through a simple center differential, avoiding the complex electronic systems used by many competitors. The mechanical simplicity translates directly to exceptional long-term reliability. Subaru's boxer engine design contributes significantly to the Outback's reliability. The horizontally opposed cylinder configuration creates a lower center of gravity and inherently balanced operation that reduces vibration and wear on engine components. This design philosophy has proven exceptionally durable over decades of real-world use. Subaru's quality control process ensures that each Outback meets strict reliability standards before delivery. The company's manufacturing facilities maintain exceptional quality standards, and extensive testing ensures that potential issues are identified and corrected before vehicles reach customers. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the Outback's reputation for exceptional dependability. Owner satisfaction surveys show that Outback owners experience fewer unexpected repairs and lower maintenance costs compared to most competitors in the SUV segment. The Outback's maintenance requirements are designed to maximize reliability while minimizing owner costs. Subaru's service schedule emphasizes preventive maintenance to ensure long-term reliability, and the Outback's mechanical simplicity makes service straightforward and affordable. 6. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot represents the gold standard for three-row SUV reliability, engineered with Honda's legendary attention to durability that ensures families can depend on this SUV for years of trouble-free service. Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine in the 2025 Pilot incorporates decades of refinement in Honda's VTEC technology. This naturally aspirated engine uses premium internal components, including robust bearings and a forged crankshaft, designed to handle the demands of three-row SUV duty while maintaining exceptional longevity. The Pilot's suspension system uses robust components designed to handle the weight and demands of a three-row SUV while providing long-term reliability. Independent front and rear suspension systems use high-quality components that are designed to last well beyond typical ownership periods. Honda's manufacturing quality for the Pilot maintains the company's reputation for exceptional build quality. Each Pilot undergoes comprehensive quality control testing before delivery, ensuring that potential reliability issues are identified and corrected during manufacturing. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the Pilot's reputation for exceptional dependability in the three-row SUV segment. Independent research organizations regularly rank the Pilot among the most reliable three-row SUVs, and owner satisfaction surveys show minimal unexpected repairs. The Pilot's maintenance requirements are designed to maximize reliability while accommodating the needs of busy families. Honda's service schedule emphasizes preventive maintenance to ensure long-term reliability, and the Pilot's proven components make service straightforward and predictable. 7-point Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander embodies Toyota's reputation for building SUVs that seem to run forever, combining three-row practicality with the bulletproof reliability that has made Toyota a byword for automotive dependability. Toyota's 3.5-liter V6 engine in the 2025 Highlander represents decades of refinement in Toyota's approach to naturally aspirated engines. This power plant uses robust internal components, including forged pistons and premium bearings, designed to provide reliable operation well beyond 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Highlander's 8-speed automatic transmission incorporates Toyota's extensive experience with automatic transmission design and manufacturing. The transmission uses proven technology with robust internal components designed to handle the demands of three-row SUV operation while maintaining smooth, reliable performance for hundreds of thousands of miles. Toyota's approach to the Highlander's all-wheel drive system prioritizes reliability through mechanical simplicity. The Dynamic Torque Control AWD system uses a straightforward design that automatically manages power distribution without overly complex electronic systems that might fail over time. Toyota's quality control process for the Highlander maintains the company's legendary reputation for manufacturing excellence. Each Highlander undergoes extensive testing and inspection before delivery, ensuring that potential reliability issues are identified and corrected during the manufacturing process. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the Highlander's reputation for exceptional dependability. Independent research organizations regularly rank the Highlander among the most reliable three-row SUVs available, and owner satisfaction surveys show minimal unexpected repairs even at high mileages. The Highlander's maintenance schedule is designed to maximize reliability while minimizing owner costs and inconvenience. Toyota's service intervals emphasize preventive maintenance to ensure long-term reliability, and the Highlander's proven components make service predictable and affordable. 8. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 proves that exceptional reliability doesn't require sacrificing driving enjoyment, combining Mazda's commitment to long-term durability with engaging dynamics that make this compact SUV a joy to own for years. Mazda's approach to engine design in the CX-5 emphasizes longevity through careful engineering and premium materials. The available naturally aspirated and turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engines incorporate robust internal components designed to provide reliable operation for hundreds of thousands of miles. The CX-5's 6-speed automatic transmission represents Mazda's commitment to reliability through proven technology. Rather than chasing the latest transmission trends, Mazda uses a well-tested design with robust internal components that prioritize smooth operation and exceptional durability over maximum fuel economy. Mazda's all-wheel drive system in the CX-5 uses a straightforward design that prioritizes reliability through mechanical simplicity. The iActive AWD system automatically manages power distribution between front and rear wheels without overly complex electronic systems that might fail over time. Electrical reliability in the CX-5 benefits from Mazda's conservative approach to electronic systems. Rather than incorporating cutting-edge technology that might prove unreliable, Mazda uses proven electronic components and wiring systems that have demonstrated long-term reliability. Real-world reliability data supports the CX-5's reputation for exceptional dependability in the compact SUV segment. Owner satisfaction surveys show that CX-5 owners experience fewer unexpected repairs and lower long-term maintenance costs compared to many competitors. The CX-5's maintenance requirements are designed to maximize reliability while providing predictable ownership costs. Mazda's service schedule emphasizes preventive maintenance to ensure long-term reliability, and the CX-5's proven components make service straightforward and affordable. 9. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester combines Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive capability with exceptional reliability that makes it one of the most dependable compact SUVs available, perfect for buyers who need capability without sacrificing long-term dependability. Subaru's boxer engine design in the Forester contributes significantly to its exceptional reliability. The horizontally opposed 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine creates inherently balanced operation that reduces vibration and wear on engine components, contributing to exceptional longevity. The Forester's continuously variable transmission represents Subaru's refinement of CVT technology for maximum reliability and efficiency. While some manufacturers struggle with CVT durability, Subaru's version has proven exceptionally reliable through extensive real-world testing and positive owner experiences. Standard all-wheel drive in the Forester uses Subaru's time-tested symmetrical AWD system, which distributes power between front and rear wheels through a simple mechanical center differential. This design avoids complex electronic systems used by competitors, translating to improved long-term reliability. Subaru's quality control process ensures that each Forester meets strict reliability standards before delivery. The company's manufacturing facilities maintain exceptional quality standards, and extensive testing ensures that potential issues are identified and corrected before reaching customers. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the Forester's reputation for exceptional dependability. Subaru leads reliability ratings, and the Forester exemplifies this reputation with consistently high owner satisfaction scores and minimal unexpected repair issues. The Forester's maintenance requirements are designed to maximize reliability while minimizing owner costs. Subaru's service schedule emphasizes preventive maintenance to ensure long-term reliability, and the Forester's mechanical simplicity makes service straightforward and affordable. 10. Lexus RX. Concluding our list with the Lexus RX, a luxury SUV that proves exceptional reliability, doesn't require sacrificing comfort and refinement. The RX combines Toyota's legendary engineering with Lexus luxury in a package that's designed to provide trouble-free service for decades. The RX's powertrain options, including naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines, as well as hybrid variants, all incorporate Toyota's decades of experience with reliable engine design. These power plants use premium internal components and conservative engineering that prioritizes longevity over maximum performance. Lexus quality control for the RX exceeds industry standards, with each vehicle undergoing extensive testing and inspection before delivery. This attention to detail during manufacturing translates directly to exceptional long-term reliability and minimal warranty issues for owners. The RX's transmission options, whether conventional automatic or hybrid system components, incorporate Toyota's extensive experience with reliable drivetrain design. These systems are engineered for smooth operation and exceptional durability over hundreds of thousands of miles of service. Real-world reliability data consistently supports the RX's reputation as one of the most dependable luxury SUVs available. Lexus ranks highest overall in vehicle dependability for a third consecutive year, and the RX contributes significantly to this outstanding reputation. Lexus's approach to the RX emphasizes proven technology and conservative engineering that prioritizes long-term reliability over cutting-edge features that might prove problematic. This philosophy creates a luxury SUV that owners can depend on for years of trouble-free service. The RX's maintenance requirements are designed to maximize reliability while providing the level of service expected by luxury vehicle owners. Lexus service intervals and procedures are designed to ensure long-term reliability while maintaining the vehicle's luxury character and performance. These 10 SUVs represent the absolute pinnacle of automotive reliability in 2025. What they all share is a commitment to engineering excellence that prioritizes long-term durability over short-term marketing advantages. Toyota, Lexus, and Honda make the most reliable SUVs in 2025. Subaru, Mazda, and Ford also have crossovers with high reliability. These 10 SUVs prove that in an automotive landscape filled with complex technology and questionable long-term durability, there are still manufacturers committed to building vehicles that will serve their owners faithfully for hundreds of thousands of miles. Choose any SUV from this list and you'll likely discover what it means to truly never need a mechanic again.